All right, so I'm gonna be making some trails today, you know, pretty typical. It's the weekend, you know, work during the day, work at night, get caught up on things. But I did go ahead and take the weed eater out there. I do have the hedge trimmer attachment on it, so hopefully that will help me make the trails. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this four-wheeler out there and park it. I have my tools already out there. Other than my machete, I'm gonna come back, grab my doggy, and we'll be out there for a little bit. Oh, I gotta add gas. I knew I had to do something. I just went and got gas too. I do have a mask on because it helps keep me warm on cold days. So my voice might be a little muffled. That's good for now. I need to clean up that gas off the plastic. Sammy boy. Hey boy. Now it's starting better now that it has a little gas in there. I guess I didn't have a tank. Maybe the bar will go up once it runs a little bit. It did rain all night, so leave this out here. I'm gonna go grab my doggy. I need to clean this stuff up. That's from when I got my car stuck. Okay, so when it's dried up, I'm gonna get on my lawnmower and make a, you know, probably a truck wide trail going back here. I still have some briars to clear up right here. But I virtually need to cut through here. I want to make a trail that goes across the creek, up that little bank right there. We used to cross that creek back when I was little, before we even built here. And then cut back there on my property line and goes way back. So this is pretty much all this stuff I gotta clear out. God, that's gonna suck. But I'll probably make a creek crossing right here. This will be the probably medium one. I'll probably make one right here. That'll be like a steeper climb, and then one over there, and that will be the easy one probably. You know, it'd be cool to have a bunch of different options depending on your mood. If you want to climb one that's steep, we'll make one right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Oh, that's a light bulb. Why is there a light bulb out here? How does that even happen? Like, there ain't no way I can pick up all those pieces. That stuff was breaking in my hand. Grab some of this stuff. Wish these gloves didn't have holes in them. Wow, that thing's cutting through pretty quick, man. This is probably the thickest trail I've ever had to cut, so some of it I'll have to come back with a machete and I'll have to come dig up these stumps, but it's worth it. I'm used to just using a machete, but it'd take me forever without that weed eater. All right, I'm gonna take a short break because my arms are getting heavy. Whew. I'll go ahead and start cleaning up some of that brush. I might go ahead and grab my other tools, my shovel, my pickaxe, so I can start getting these stumps up. All right, I've made some progress here. I am gonna have to work on it more this weekend. Yeah, it might not even get done this weekend. But I got a lot started. I will have to come back and widen it and get all these stumps out, but let's see, let me investigate. How much further do I have? I'm just kind of freestyling it of where the thinnest trees are. Okay, this ain't so bad. This looks like this might be where the old trail was. Okay, I'm not too far off. Okay, well, there's the opening. I'm not too far off. Well, I'm gonna drag some of those cut down branches and throw them to the side, and I'll have to go grab a machete and start doing that. Okay, so today I'm going to be finishing up making my trails. This is about a week later. Yes, exactly a week later. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the Foreman pulled out here. I already took my weed eater and my machete out there, so they're ready to rock and roll. Go ahead and get this started up. It's a little bit low on gas. I'd like to start up easy on low on gas. Oh yeah. I have made a little bit of progress since the last time I recorded. It's also been raining like crazy. Cold rain too, just enough to not snow. So I got all these briars cut, so I'm gonna get those dragged off to the side. I'll be able to get this thing back there, and I can finish up on the trails. I'd like to get this thing across the creek if I can, but I might have to dig it out a little bit first. Almost there. See if we can get back there, and let's see if we can cross that creek. I got my phone in my pocket, speaker in my jacket. guess we can try. 4-wheel drive, we'll block that diff, get that engaged. Hey, easy. Easy, dude. Easy as pie. Get across that thing easy. I'm gonna grab my weed eater so I can continue making trails. Making progress. Got a lot of stumps to dig up. Alright guys, I virtually finished up my trails. I haven't ridden on this trail yet that I just made, so this is the first time I'm going to ride on it. So let's see how it goes. Drop it down to first. I already know I'm gonna need 4-wheel drive. I haven't done anything to the creek yet, just to the side of the creek. I will have to come back here and take out a few more trees, but now it's rideable. I dug out stumps today, so many stumps. Yep, I'll have to take that tree out. There's my tools. I'm gonna have to come back and make it a little wider. Kinda knew I'd have to, but this part right here is nice and wide though. I need to come back and cut this piece off. It's actually not rotted. Well, there it is. Down we go. Boom. I want to see if I can cross that creek with just two-wheel drive. Oh yeah, easy. Oh, 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 oh. This ain't letting me turn. I didn't realize it's gonna be such a tight fit through these trees right here. Heck yeah. Now I just have to do a little bit of work to that hill crossing, or that creek crossing right there. I'm gonna dig some rocks out, and then I need to continue making the trails that way, which after that little patch, it ain't so bad. It's just that patch right there was really bad. That was the hardest trail I've ever had to make in my life. Spent about 18 man hours doing that. I started last Saturday. But anyway, guys, leave a like if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe to my Snapchat if you haven't. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And peace.